Hello friends, welcome back to Ivy Indiviers. Today I am going to cook an Assamese delicacy for you all. It is called Pabho Masor Anja or Pabda Fish curry with tomatoes and mustard seeds paste. Pabda fish or Pabho mas or Indian buttercat fish, as it is known in English, is a fish widely available in eastern parts of India. It is very much relished in East India. It is a skinless fish and it is easy to feed to kids as well. For this gravy, first we have thoroughly washed the fishes and then we have marinated them with salt and turmeric. Then we are going to fry them in mustard oil and proceed with the gravy. When we could find this fish in Mumbai, we were very excited and happy to cook it at our home. For making the mustard paste, first we are mixing the brown and yellow mustard seeds, say half a bowlful, and wash them thoroughly and then soak them overnight, and then we have made a smooth mustard paste out of it. So friends, these are our ingredients for the Pabho Masor Anja with mustard. I have grated 2 medium-sized onions. I have grated a piece of ginger. This is the ginger paste. Then I have chopped some coriander leaves, green coriander leaves for garnishing later. Here are my 3 grated tomatoes, and this, as you can see, is the mustard paste. Friends, now I am putting my pabho fish. You see how the pabho fish looks. I am putting it on mustard oil for frying. Let them fry nicely on one side, then we'll turn them over. I have turned it upside down and this is how it is looking at the moment. You have to be little careful in frying this type of fishes because they don't have scales, so just stay little away. Meanwhile, in a karahi, I am warming some oil for the gravy. I am putting a mix of little bit of refined oil and little bit of mustard oil. You can use either of the two, but preferably you use mustard oil. While our oil is warm, I am going to add this chopped Meanwhile, our fish is frying nicely. Its outer part is becoming crisp. You can see it's got a very nice color. So after 3 to 5 minutes of frying the onion, the raw smell is gone. I am adding half teaspoon of haldi, and 1 teaspoon of salt and stir, and then after spicy, the onion is nicely fried. At this point I am going to add our grated tomato and the grated ginger I have added. Stir it for some more time till the tomato is fried. tomato is nicely cooked now in oil. At this point, I am going to add our grated the mustard paste. And let it simmer for some time. At this point, I am going to put the lid on and let it simmer for some 5 minutes on very low flame. Our gravy with little bit of water has been boiling nicely for 10 minutes. Now at this point, I am adding a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of meat masala, and little bit of chili powder for the color. You can add more if you like. Now at this point, I am mixing everything together. I am mixing the masala. And now I am adding the boiled water. At this point, you can increase the flame so that the gravy gets a boiling consistency. Once it starts boiling, we will add the fried fishes to it. The gravy has been boiling nicely. Now I am adding the fishes into it.
Friends, our pabho masor anja is finally ready. You can see the nice color of tomato and mustard paste, and I am finally garnishing it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try this recipe out at your home and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments section. Do check out Ivy Indiviers for more such interesting recipes. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to Ivy Indiviers for more to come. Bye for today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep checking Ivy Indiviers.